Welcome to HBI Academy, a place built for learners who want clarity, structure, and real understanding. Here we explore how law works, how legal English operates in real contexts, and how artificial intelligence is reshaping every corner of modern justice. If you want more than surface-level explanations, if you want a solid foundation that connects traditional doctrines with the digital age, then you are exactly where you need to be. The Academy is built around 4 complete courses. First, you will study the principles of law and legal English foundation. This course explains what law is, where it comes from, why societies rely on it, and how essential legal English terms operate in practice. Next, we explore global legal systems, common law, civil law, religious law, customary law, and hybrid systems. You will also see how artificial intelligence is transforming courts, procedures, and legal reasoning around the world. The third course opens the door to the major branches of law: criminal, constitutional, contract, tort, property, corporate, administrative, and international law. Each topic connects classic legal doctrine with the new challenges brought by AI and digital technologies. And finally, the fourth course explains the institutions and processes that keep justice functioning: courts, legislatures, executive agencies, international tribunals, and the procedures that ensure fairness. You will also learn how AI tools influence policing, evidence, enforcement, lawmaking, and human rights monitoring. Alongside these major programs, HBI Academy offers focused mini courses. Everything from legal English writing, digital evidence, smart contracts, AI ethics, judicial reasoning, and practical skills for global learners. These lessons help you build expertise one clear step at a time. So, if you are ready to understand law, master legal English, and explore the future of justice in the age of artificial intelligence, subscribe to HBI Academy. Your learning journey starts here.